Growing zucchini vertically in pots is a space-saving and efficient way to cultivate this prolific vegetable, especially for those with limited garden space. Here's how you can do it. 1. Choose the right pot. Select a large pot or container with a capacity of at least 5 gallons to accommodate the vigorous growth of zucchini plants. Ensure that the container has drainage holes at the bottom to prevent waterlogging. 2. Select a compact variety. Choose a compact or bush variety of zucchini that is well suited for container gardening. Look for varieties specifically bred for small spaces or patio gardens. 3. Fill the pot with soil. Use a high-quality potting mix that is well draining and nutrient-rich. Fill the pot with soil, leaving about 2–3 inches of space at the top to allow for watering. 4. Plant the zucchini seeds or seedlings. If starting from seeds, sow zucchini seeds directly into the soil according to the recommended spacing for the variety you're growing. If planting seedlings, gently remove them from their nursery containers and plant them at the same depth as they were in the containers. 5. Install a vertical support. Place a sturdy trellis, cage, or vertical support structure in the pot at the time of planting. Position the support in the center of the pot and secure it firmly to provide stability as the zucchini plants grow. 6. Watering and fertilizing. Water the zucchini plants regularly, keeping the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Use a watering can or hose to water the plants at the base, avoiding wetting the foliage to reduce the risk of disease. Fertilize the plants with a balanced fertilizer or a fertilizer formulated for vegetables, according to the manufacturer's instructions to promote healthy growth and fruit production. 7. Training the vines. As the zucchini plants grow, gently guide the vines to climb the vertical support structure. Use soft ties, such as garden twine or plant clips, to secure the vines to the trellis or cage without damaging them. Encourage the vines to grow upward rather than sprawling along the ground. 8. Pruning and maintenance. Regularly prune the zucchini plants to remove any side shoots or suckers that develop along the main stem. This will help focus the plant's energy on producing fruit rather than excessive foliage. Additionally, keep the area around the base of the plants free from weeds to reduce competition for nutrients and water. 9. Harvesting. Monitor the zucchini plants regularly for ripe fruit. Harvest zucchini when they are young and tender, typically when they reach 6–8 inches in length. Use a sharp knife or pruning shears to cut the fruit from the vine, taking care not to damage the plant. By following these steps, you can successfully grow zucchini vertically in pots and enjoy a bountiful harvest of delicious zucchini throughout the growing season, even in small spaces.